Hello everybody! E hoje nós temos mais uma mesa posta para vocês. Geralmente em julho nós temos duas datas que vêm assim quase em cima uma da outra. Uma data que nós comemoramos é o dia 2 de julho e a outra data é o dia 4 de julho, que é a independência dos Estados Unidos.
So today we're going to be doing a Mesa Posta or a table setting for a birthday. And birthday is going to be on July 2nd, and then we also have the 4th of July. So this month we're going to have a couple table settings that we're going to do. So go ahead and explain what we've got here real quick.
Aqui nós temos os pratos e os mini pratos, temos os copos para água, nós temos aqui copo para vinho, champanhe,
Juice ou qualquer coisa.
Suco ou o que a pessoa querer, se você quiser fazer um brinde, não? E aqui temos talheres, a cor escolhida foi rosa,
That's for the tablecloth,
e
or for
aqui
the
os
lenços, right?
A mesa
The
já está coberta
napkins.
com a toalha de mesa, do mesmo material. Aqui nós temos os lenços, os descansos de prato, e aqui nós temos os anéis para os lenços. E aqui esse vai ser o centro da mesa, as rosas com as lili.
Alrighty, so starting with the what we have here for the table setting. This time of the year, we always use the more colorful plates. You got the roses and the greens and the purples, whatever we got there. This is more for spring and summertime. And we've got the bigger plates along with the smaller saucers. With the silverware, you're going to choose the gold silverware to sort of give off, to match with the gold gilding on the plates. So we're going to use that. And then also on the cups and the chalices here, we got some gold gilding also, right? And we can show you that here. And then moving on over here, we have what we call the chargers. I guess that's what we call them in English. That's where you put your plates on top of. So in case there's any spillage, it's sort of nice. It sort of accents the whole area when you have these. And these have got the gold on them along with the pink. And then to finish off, we got their little rings that are going to be put for the tablecloths. And then finally, we got the centerpiece, which is going to be some roses and lilies.
E aqui nós temos todos os copos na mesa. E como você pode ver, um copo para água, um copo para vinho, um copo para champanhe, se você for comemorar alguma coisa.
All right, you can see the cups, glasses, chalices are all put out. We usually put 3 out. Now you can adjust that to what you have going on, but this here gives you a choice as to what you want. And just make sure, though, you try to put those in the dishwasher just like you would the dishes before you set them out. Because as they sit around, they sometimes collect dust and such. But here we are. So the next thing left to do is to put the centerpiece.
The napkins.
Oh, the napkins. I forgot about the napkins. We got to have napkins. Okay, so you open up your napkin. This is sort of my specialty. I try to just practice on this type of stuff, and I try to learn it. And you can create anything you want. You just take it. You have it set up as a diamond. Then you take the bottom of the diamond and meet the top of the diamond.
E aqui a gente vai mostrar como dobra o lenço. E se você for fazer sua mesa, você pode, se você tiver uma maneira diferente, você pode fazer. A gente tenta modificar cada vez que a gente faz uma mesa.
If you want to, you can press these and get these really, really smooth. But it's going to be so small, it wouldn't make much difference. So you just take the left corner.
Faz um triângulo.
And then come on up here. Like that.
Dobra os outros dois lados em um triângulo menor.
You take the other side up, the right side, and you bring it on up, okay? And then come on over here. And then you take the left side, you take it in and you accordion it. I guess you would call it. You fold it and then hold it right here.
Você dobra mais uma vez.
And you try to keep your finger on that so that doesn't move. And then you do the same thing with the other side. Okay? And then you bring them together. Like so. All right? And then you're going to push the ring. Hopefully you got somebody to help you. And then you bring the ring right up to where you had these little things sticking up. You bring them right to that point. And then you take them over and you put them on your plate. So you can open it up, you can adjust this whatever way you want. But that's going to be going on top of your plate. I'm going to turn this back just a little bit.
E esse é o desenho que nós vamos colocar aqui na mesa, no lenço. Você pode modificar e fazer o que você quiser.
Okay, and the table is finished. You got the centerpiece on. We got the tablecloth and all the dishes. You can see how it sort of sets it off. You don't have to be, to create a little bit of your tablecloth or your napkins, you don't really have to be a professional at it. You just sort of play with see where it ends up.
E aqui nós temos a mesa completa, com todas as peças necessárias, inclusive o centro da mesa.
Okay.
Muito obrigada a vocês por assistir os nossos vídeos. Eu peço a você que compartilhe, deixe o seu joinha para o YouTube saber que você gostou do vídeo. Muito obrigada mais uma vez. Um grande beijo no coração de vocês. Eu vejo vocês no próximo vídeo.
And on behalf of Gringo in the Kitchen with Zenobia, we thank you for the table setting for a birthday this month. We decided to use a couple different colors. We got the pinks now, and so you can almost imagine it might be a female's birthday, right? So we thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. And ring that little bell because that'll let you know from time to time when we do have videos coming out. Appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.